Method for testing water filters. 1. Water softener. Remove hardening elements such as magnesium and calcium from water, which are frequently replaced with sodium ions, increasing the water's salt concentration. 2. Water ioniser. Ionizing water can eliminate impurities. The major goal is to elevate the pH as part of an alkaline diet. 3. Reverse osmosis for households. Organic compounds such as salt and natural minerals, as well as germs and disease-causing pathogens, are typically filtered by one or more filters in RO systems. 4. Biosandfilter. A filtering process that uses different layers of sand and other sediments to remodel natural water filter methods. 5. Gravity water filter. Designed to simulate the natural flow of water through rocks, removing bacteria, nitrates, chlorine, sulphates, heavy metals, and other contaminants. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.